All right, we're in the shop today, getting the car ready to get torn down. Got the motor all out already. The motor is ready to be taken apart. We're gonna check this clutch out and get it on an engine stand. We start pulling the blower off and everything and just slowly go through all of it. Coming out was really nice, except this connector got snagged on something, so I gotta fix that. Kind of a pain, but whatever, it's the way she goes. Once we get this motor all torn down and figure out what I need to order, and gonna start working on the frames and stuff on this, because I'm an idiot and crashed it. So yeah, gonna be a busy day. I got the clutch apart and it looks beautiful. This probably has 300 laps on it at 1,000 horsepower, and this thing is mint. Usually they get beat up on the edges and they'll start chipping a lot. That's like nothing. So I'm gonna send some pictures to ACT. They're probably gonna tell me she's good to go because it looks pretty good to me. She gets a little bit hot, but you don't gotta worry about that. They're all gonna get hot because we just drive the piss out of them. But looks great. Okay, I took a break from the engine. I got the cams out and the cam caps look pretty good. They could use a little bit of a hone, but that's fine. Over here, I just measured the car from this point here over to the strut tower bolts over there. Same thing with that point to these strut tower bolts. And the strut tower is, well, both of them are perfect. They didn't get messed up. And I measured the subframe from here to there and made sure this was all squared up. So the front end didn't really get messed up. It's just those little frame horns, which we got over there. Piece of cake. Right, Randall? Randall's doing Japanese stuff over there. He doesn't know what we're doing. He's broken. He likes broken turbo cars. I hope I don't have to deal with broken turbo cars. Gross. So let's get these frame rails off of this car. So I already looked in here. That was already torn up a little bit, and I'm basically gonna just like cut this off, lift this up, and see how many spot welds we need to cut out. It doesn't look like a lot, but I'm probably gonna eat those words here soon. So let's get drilling. Butter. Mint. All right, so I bought all new frame rails, but it didn't come with this piece. So it seems like this is pretty structural here for the strut towers and stuff. So I'm probably gonna have to drill these all out and kind of mark out where it is and weld them back into the new plates. Luckily, it doesn't look like it got too messed up, so I can probably reuse it. All right, guys, I want to take a minute to stop the video to talk about the giveaway. We are giving away this 05 Mustang GT. We have all new merch on the website, so check it out. Every $5 spent at chrisleonardracing.com will get you an entry to this thing. So we got an 05 Mustang GT 5-speed that we are going to be completely going through, making sure it runs and drives good. We're going to be doing some body work and making this thing pretty sassy for you. So check that giveaway out. Okay, so I got my side off. Joey's slacking. He's not even halfway there. But she's showing a little bit of New England here. You're gonna have to clean that up. But honestly, didn't come out too bad. So now we can start cleaning and fitting those things. and get this side off, be good to go. Honestly, it's kind of a pain in the ass, but definitely not the worst thing I've done. Okay, so we got the frame rails all off last night. We got the car prepped up, so we sanded all the paint off and coated it with a weldable coating. So we're prepping the new frame rails right now with our benchmark abrasive stripper disc. That way we don't actually take any metal off of them because they're super thin. So we're stripping the paint off the pitch weld so we can get the welding done. And we'll be able to slide these in and start tacking them in place. Make sure they're all squared up. Okay, we got the frame lined up. So we got it clamped down, ready to start tacking in and getting some of these spot welds welded. We lined up both sides. Seems like they fit pretty good. We got the header panel on, and there's a lot of welding to do. So we'll get on that and get her done. I have a hole in my foot. Damn it.
They're safety Crocs.
I've got closed toe Crocs for this occasion, but you know, I'm kind of retarded. Alright, we got a new toy from Harbor Freight. Let's see how this thing works. Spot weld, bud.
Oh yeah. Very nice. See how it holds. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna make life way easier, dude. This thing's heavy as f***, though. It's not the most convenient thing to use. Sick. I'm a spot weld guy now. I can do the spot welds. Thing's kind of sick.
Yeah.
I wish it was like had leads on it for this.
Yeah.
You just like sit the whole box on the ground and run leads. It's probably what happens when you buy one that's not $150. Ah! This is why we need to clamp things. Because there's probably a little air gap there. Well, we're learning. Sick. It probably fits. I don't know. Looks good to me. Okay, we got everything welded in. It came out really good. The little Harbor Freight spot welder did a great job. And everything fits up. So I'm hoping that once we put fenders and bumpers on it, it'll line up, but I'm pretty sure it will. So everything, like even the lower mounts here that we didn't really mess with, those bolted right up, and they're like right in the perfect spot. So seems like it came out really good and a lot easier than I expected it to be, actually. So stoked. The car just needs some paint to make it look good, and we got a little tear in the floor pan to fix, and car's ready to go back together. That's it.
One step at a time.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We still have a bunch of work to do on the car, so we're going to keep posting these videos hopefully sooner than later. I was kind of slacking for a little bit there. So, yeah, we're going to keep ripping these videos out now that the parts are showing up, and we got like a month to get this thing back together so we can start doing these demos and do some testing. Hell yeah.